the Christmas ones now.
Yeah. Oh, she likes them.
Hello friends, we are here today at the Animal Kingdom again. We are here for probably what is our very last trip to Disney this year before Christmas. Are you excited to see your Merry Menagerie friends?
Yeah, and there's only 7 more days until Christmas.
7 more days until Christmas? Oh my gosh, so we gotta pack in as much fun of Christmas fun as we can, huh?
Gentle.
Be gentle with the fox.
Yeah, gentle. You can dance, but
Why are you dancing so silly with your tongue out like that?
sorry.
I know, what a silly bird. Silly birds.
How are you, Caspian?
Say we're doing good.
Good seeing you.
Look at the bird go.
My shoes, yeah. You can see my shoes anytime. You can't see friends.
He'll be right back, okay? We brought new ears for her to try on. Ooh, who's trying on the Christmas ones now?
Yeah. Oh, she likes them. Yeah, she likes them.
Say hi to the seals.
Say hi.
Gentle, gentle. Oh.
Give us a scratch under the chin.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, oh, you putting the ears on the reindeer? I don't think they fit.
She's a little too big for that.
I know. Look it. Say hi to her. Hi. We already put them on her.
Yeah, but he.
I know, but he didn't put them on her.
Yeah.
I know. You're the one who started that all the other day. Yeah.
Yeah, she likes them.
You can see. I know. This is your height indicator, right?
I haven't seen you guys in like a week.
I know, right?
We were. Oh yeah, we were here Friday. You were, yeah. Did you bring some carrots?
It was so nice of you. She loved the carrots. What about the?
Let's do a big brother. Yeah. Gentle and Melody, please.
That's so sweet.
She just gave the deer a kiss.
What kind of fish is it?
Yeah. There's one on the way.
Say goldfish crackers.
Goldfish! Love it! We love a good goldfish.
We do. We just bought the colorful kind yesterday. Yeah.
Rainbow
goldfish.
So cool. Are they different flavors? 3 different types of fish flavored? or no?
No, I don't think so. I think they're all the same.
That's okay. We're not too picky with our
Yeah.
fish. We like goldfish and tilapia and salmon and pretty much anything.
Any kind of fish, huh?
I love it.
He has some fish for you.
You have fish, where? I'm in your pocket. Oh, there it is. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, delicious. Yum. It's your secret recipe. What's the secret? Oh, you can't tell me.
Oh, because it's a secret?
So bright.
It's a secret.
I'm so sorry.
This intrepid explorer is on a quest to share all the delightfully Disney news about Donald's Dino Bash. Get this, Donald, as in the Donald Duck, is celebrating his newfound lineage to dinosaurs in the...
That's really good island dancing you're doing over there. You must have learned the dances of the islands. So you know the dance of the waves.
Do you know the dance of the waves?
How do you dance the
Well,
wave?
I can come teach you some of the dances. You see the kids on my island? It's part of their necessity to learn some dances on the island. And as to teach the island, well, learn to become to the island, I have to teach those dances. Hi, little Kua. If you'd like, we can have a dance by the water anytime. Caspian, I am Moana from Sanui. But don't worry, I won't make you board my boat, sail across the sea, or store the hard to take feeding. I already made Maui do all of that.
Go see her.
Hey, hey! No, I don't know where Hey Hey is either. I wonder if that was like rustling around in the trees. He tends to cause lots of trouble.
Come here. Do you want my hand?
Always. And you know what is so funny about Hey Hey? He doesn't eat nuts and seeds. He only eats rocks
Here,
and
you want me to pick you
shells.
up and you can...
I know, that can't be very good for his stomach.
Didn't he eat the heart of Tafiti at one point too?
Oh, one
He
time.
did, I know.
Following the voice inside. You know Maui. Well, Caspian, would you like to come stay next to me and show me your Maui muscles then? Just like this.
Show your Maui muscles.
Muzzles.
1, 2, 3.
Or how about you be a wayfinder? Do you want to be a wayfinder?
By the sky, just like your wayfinder. Very good, Islander. You're a natural. Really? So I'm talking to a professional here. Come on and we'll see if we can get you in a picture too. Caspian, one more picture.
Oh, look. Look. Her finger's in her mouth. There we go.
Islanders, thank you so much for following the voice inside. Caspian, it was a pleasure to meet such an adventurer like you. Yeah. Well, maybe someday you'll
Your
island.
magic band. Magic band.
Islanders have so much fun on their journeys. Hi, Caspian. You found Hey Hey. You sure did.
Look, who is that? Wave to him. Wave.
Is it Santa? So that concludes our trip out to Animal Kingdom today. We were not prepared. I thought the camera bag was in the car and it wasn't, so we only had one battery in the camera that was dying, so most of this was recorded on my phone. So that's why the quality is a little different, but it was fun seeing the Merry Menagerie friends again. This might be our final visit. I did book reservations for New Year's Eve, but I don't know if I'll be crazy enough to come there or come here on a holiday by myself without Joe. But it was super fun, a very magical holiday season, as always. It is super sad that we won't be able to see the Merry Menagerie friends again until next year, but we made tons and tons of memories, so if you are one of them watching that, thank you so much. As always, guys, we thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye!